Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at this 7-inch display touchscreen car monitor for babies, and it also has a camera included. And here is the box. I already took the actual monitor out. As you can see, it's got this attachment here to go ahead and put the suction cup on, so you can put this at the front of your car and see what is being recorded by this camera here that you can strap onto the back seat. And then you've got this cable here to power it, USB-C to cigarette lighter, and then here you've got an auxiliary cable. So that's pretty much it, and it is a nice small display, so that keeps everything nice and clean in your car. Fits super nicely, and that's just a simple overview. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.